Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and if you're new here, welcome. It's fun over here. Today we are doing flexi rods. I'm so excited to try this out, guys. This is my first time, and the link to some flexi rods will also be in my Amazon storefront, so you should check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Now let's get to it. I will be using Not Having It leave-in conditioner, the Dew Mousse Death, and I got my handy dandy spray bottle. So my hair was washed yesterday, and I do not want to do my flexi rod set on blown out hair, so I decided to do it on wet hair. So my hair was washed, deep conditioned, and I already sectioned them into twists. Now I'm getting my spray bottle, wetting the hair. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I don't put too much. Run it through, finger detangle. Then I'm gonna go in with the Dew Mousse. A little goes a long way. And smooth and rake it in, rake it in, rake it in. I go in with my Tangle Teaser. And here's a good tip for your flexi rod set. You can also twist or braid up the root so it can lay flatter. I'm deciding to braid the root a little bit. Make sure to wrap your hair tightly around the rods and roll it upwards towards your roots. Make sure you apply it smoothly to minimize any frizz. Then I bend here and I bend here as well. I'm not so sure if I did that one tight enough, but we'll see. It looks very smooth, guys. Make sure you apply your hair very smoothly onto the rod. I feel like this is going to come out really cute, guys. Like, I have high hopes for it. So let me get my Dew Mousse. By the way, the Dew Mousse is like my favorite mousse. It gives me so much definition, like a lot. Make sure you brush all the way through. Get the rod. Gotta be very careful. The ends are the most important part of this. And just roll it up. I am so glad that I sectioned my hair into twists, so I wouldn't have to go through all that trouble of parting my hair. And the process is going by pretty quickly for me. I know I only did 3 so far, but I feel like I'm moving pretty quick. Again, just spray your hair with water. Go in with a detangler or a leave-in conditioner, and then you apply the mousse. I use my favorite brush, which is the Tangle Teaser, and there you go. Make sure you detangle really well. Braid at the root so your hair would lay flatter. You don't want puffy roots, do you? Nah. Hey y'all, so I had to record on my iPad temporarily, so if the quality changes, that is the reason. Here up. If you have done flexi rods before or perm rod sets before, please comment down below. What is your experience with them? Do you like them? Do you dislike them? If you have any questions, let me know. I got you. Y'all, it's nighttime now and I'm about to go to sleep. I don't know how I'm going to sleep with this on, but wish me luck. But it actually went a lot quicker than I thought, the process, and the products I used I think were really good, so I can't wait to see how this turns out. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I slept with my rods in overnight. It was so hard to put my bonnet over it, honestly. Ooh, this is gonna be, ooh, child. Try not to mess anything up. It is important to make sure your hair is completely dry before taking the rods down, and be very careful when separating the curls. I am using this oil to unravel my rods, by the way. When it comes to the part where I have to unbraid is like the hardest part because I'm not trying to mess up the curls. Let's just keep going and see. NCI music. Okay, this actually looks pretty cute. Looks pretty cute. I'm digging it. Okay, okay. But look at the amount of shrinkage I get with this hairstyle. Like, wow.
NCI Music.
Wow, only 2 more left.
NCI Music.
Y'all, look at these curls. It looks like I have bangs, but here get in my eyes. But I'm going to separate some of them more. My hair feels so soft. What do you guys think? I really like it. The curls are popping. Curls are bouncy. They're cute. I'm loving it. I'm about to do my edges with the Shine and Jam edge control. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I finished the edges. This is the final result. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I really like it. The products I used worked really well as well. Would I do the style again? Most definitely. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see from me. Bye guys.